Dollar Tree processes over 8 million transactions every single day in the United States. Yet most shoppers walk into Dollar Tree looking for paper plates or gift bags, completely overlooking products that could save them hundreds of dollars every year. Today, we are exposing 15 Dollar Tree items that feel illegal to buy this cheap. Not because anything is wrong with them, but because the price gap between these shelves and what pharmacies, Target, and Amazon charge for similar products is staggering. If you believe that being an intentional shopper is one of the most powerful financial tools you can have, this breakdown is for you. If you want to master these hidden retail protocols and protect your household budget, hit the subscribe button right now to join our community. Item 15. Pro Silk Creamy Cashmere Body Lotion. The beauty dupe economy is a multi-billion-dollar segment of the retail market because consumers have realized that premium performance doesn't require premium labels. This specific formulation matches the exact texture, fast absorption, and long-lasting warm fragrance profile of high-end boutique lotions costing 10 times as much. For aging skin that naturally thins and dries out, this moisture barrier is highly effective. Dollar Tree sources these runs through bulk overstock contracts, meaning when a batch sells out, a restock isn't guaranteed. Stock up on multiple units when you locate them on the shelf. Item 14. Blue Light Blocking Reading Glasses. The reading glasses section has quietly evolved beyond basic magnifying lenses. Current inventory features a specialized blue light blocking coating designed to filter out screen wavelengths in the 400 to 500 nanometer range. This light exposure directly suppresses natural melatonin production, which is why late-night scrolling triggers eye strain, dull headaches, and sleep disruption. These flexible, lightweight frames come in standard optical strengths from +1 to +3. Instead of paying $20 at a corporate pharmacy, you are securing identical optical filtration technology for a fraction of the cost. Item 13. 7-Day Pill Organizer. Medication errors at home, including skipped doses, double dosing, and pill confusion, are among the most common underreported household healthcare hazards. This compact 7-compartment organizer eliminates the risk by streamlining an entire week's schedule into a quick 10-minute routine on Sunday night. Furthermore, this specific layout is a TSA-approved carry-on size, making it a permanent travel companion that slides into a jacket pocket or purse without issue. Item 12. Glass clasp lid storage jars. Replicating the clean, organized glass jar aesthetic seen across home decor platforms usually costs a premium at specialty kitchen stores. However, the Dollar Tree version features thick, heavy-gauge glass paired with a functional rubber gasket inside a steel-metal clamp lid. When closed, it forms a genuinely airtight barrier that preserves dry goods, coffee beans, and spices up to 3 times longer than open retail packaging by blocking moisture intrusion. A small layout of these jars establishes an elevated kitchen organization system at a fraction of boutique retail costs. Item 11. Motion Sensor LED Night Lights. This safety upgrade frequently sells out immediately after truck deliveries. Running on 3 standard batteries, this compact unit features an integrated motion sensor and an industrial-grade adhesive backing that mounts securely to drywall, tile, or wood without tools or drilling. It projects a soft, warm glow that easily illuminates dark hallways or bathrooms at night without jolting your nervous system awake. Because nighttime falls are a leading driver of household injuries for older adults, installing a sequence of these lights is a vital, low-cost preventive infrastructure upgrade. Item 10. Silicone Sink Strainers. This unglamorous item is a major insurance policy against a massive plumber bill. Traditional metal mesh strainers rapidly corrode and warp in hard water areas, allowing food particles and hair to silently accumulate inside your plumbing lines until a major blockage occurs. This silicone alternative will not rust or degrade over time. Its specialized fine mesh catches minute particles that metal misses, it flexes easily for disposal, and it rinses clean in seconds. Placing one in your kitchen and bathroom sinks is a minor investment that protects your drainage lines from expensive mechanical failures. Item 9. Long stem elegant wine glasses. Pick one of these up, and you will immediately notice the clear glass clarity, slender stem, and elegant silhouette that matches premium glassware brands line for line. This is why interior designers and home staging professionals routinely buy out dollar store glassware to dress high-end real estate listings. Event caterers utilize them for weddings and corporate gatherings because when breakage is inevitable, you need an elevated presentation that costs next to nothing to replace. For any seasonal hosting or family gathering, these assets elevate your table setting seamlessly. Item 8. Herbal Cooling Relief Wipes. Traditional liquid menthol rubbing oils are notoriously messy, leaving a powerful residue that transfers to clothing, furniture, and phone screens. These targeted cooling wipes contain a precise blend of menthol, eucalyptus, and aloe vera. Menthol works by directly activating cold-sensitive nerve channels in the skin to send a cooling loop to the brain that partially overrides pain signals, while eucalyptus supplies documented anti-inflammatory benefits. These single-use wipes allow you to apply targeted relief to joints or neck stiffness and discard the applicator immediately, leaving your hands completely clean. Item 7. Heavy-duty kitchen shears. Most cheap scissors loosen at the center pivot, causing the blades to cross rather than cut. These shears feature thick, industrial steel blades anchored into high-grip handles that won't slip even when wet. They are robust enough to handle intense kitchen prep, including cutting through heavy packaging or executing advanced poultry breakdown techniques cleanly. At this price baseline, you can scatter separate pairs across your kitchen, workshop, and home office to eliminate the need to hunt for scissors across rooms. Item 6. Organic cocoa coir seed starter kits. Buying fresh culinary herbs at the grocery store adds up to a significant annual household expense. This kit features a compressed disc of cocoa coir, a premium, sterile growing medium processed from coconut husks. Used extensively in commercial hydroponics, cocoa coir maintains a naturally ideal pH range for kitchen herbs, drains beautifully, and resists the fungal pests that commonly plague standard potting soils. Simply expand the disc in water, sow your seeds, and set it in a sunny window to establish a continuous supply of fresh kitchen herbs. Item 5. Performance Athletic Socks. 3-pack. Podiatrists consistently warn that inadequate footwear cushioning is a primary driver of heel pain and plantar fasciitis. These socks feature targeted cushioning in high-impact zones to dampen the shock load your feet absorb during daily walking. Unlike pure cotton socks that trap moisture and cause painful friction blisters, this blended performance fabric actively wicks sweat away from the skin. Securing a month's worth of these walking socks keeps a significant amount of cash in your wallet compared to sporting goods store pricing. Item 4. Blended microfiber cleaning cloths. Standard cotton towels leave streaks and lint across clean glass, screens, and polished surfaces. These specialized split-fiber microfiber cloths use a synthetic polyester and polyamide blend to generate a natural static charge that lifts dust particles rather than spreading them around. They absorb up to 8 times their weight in liquid and dry rapidly, preventing the bacterial odors common with household dish rags. Specialty automotive and cleaning stores charge massive premiums for these identical multi-packs, making this a high-value utility asset to buy in bulk. Item 3. Authentic Yardley London Bar Soap. Established in 1770, this historic personal care brand once held official royal warrants from the British royal household. While it commands a premium at major big-box retailers, it sits on dollar store shelves for a fraction of the cost. The traditional triple-milled formula generates a dense, creamy lather that cleanses without stripping mature skin of its natural moisture oils. Longtime users use this pro tip: store unwrapped bars inside clothing drawers or linen closets first. The natural luxury fragrance will slowly diffuse through your fabrics for months before you ever use the bar for bathing. Item 2. Pillsbury Corporate Cookie Dough. This is not a generic knockoff. It is the exact same name-brand food asset found in major grocery chains, sourced through legitimate corporate overstock agreements. It arrives completely fresh and pre-portioned for zero-waste baking. Because cookie dough freezes exceptionally well for up to 2 months with zero loss in quality, buying multiple boxes lets you maintain a quick 20-minute comfort asset in your freezer for when guests or family drop by unexpectedly. Item 1. Medical-grade graduate compression socks. Chronic venous insufficiency, which causes leg swelling, pooling, and achiness after extended sitting or standing, affects a massive portion of older adults. Vascular specialists recommend graduated compression socks as a vital first-line intervention. These socks apply the highest pressure at the ankle and gradually decrease up the calf to help the vascular system push blood back toward the heart efficiently. They are equally critical for reducing deep vein thrombosis risks during long flights. Bypassing the extreme pharmacy markups on these therapeutic socks is an immediate financial win. If you found a specific strategy on this list that you are deploying this week, drop a $sign in the comments right now. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming weekly strategic breakdowns. Stay prepared, stay systematic, and I will see you in the next video.